Good morning, dear student. I am Dr. Smita Kumbhar from DSTS Mandals College of Pharmacy, Solapur. And in today's session, we are going to learn about the glycolysis under the carbohydrate metabolism. The first cycle, glycolysis, which was introduced in 1940 by the Emden and Meerhoff, and that's why the name is EM pathway. Here, the glyco means glucose, which is 6 carbon containing compound, and the lysis means the breakdown or the dissolution. So, under glycolysis, that 6 carbon containing compound glucose get cleaved into 3 carbon containing compound, that is pyruvate, in aerobic condition where the oxygen is present, and when the oxygen is absent under anaerobic conditions, the glucose, which is 6 carbon containing compound, get cleaved into 3 carbon containing compound, that is lactate. So look at here. When we take the carbohydrate from the diet, dietary carbohydrate like starch, which are very complex in nature, and for their digestion we need energy. We need to invest some energy for their digestion, and that complex starch converted into simple monosaccharide unit like glucose, fructose, galactose, and this simple monosaccharide unit then again get break by the glycolysis. The energy is produced. This simple carbohydrate molecule, they converted either pyruvate or lactate, and then finally get oxidized to acetyl-CoA. And during this whole glycolysis cycle, the energy is generated. And this glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm in every cell, and there are about 10 steps in glycolysis, and that acetyl-CoA finally get oxidized via the Krebs cycle, which occurs in the mitochondria, and here the energy produced becomes more, because ATPs are also generated by the substrate level phosphorylation. That means ATPs are generated by the substrate without the involvement of electron transport chain, and also NADH and FADH are also produced via the oxidative phosphorylation, and that finally undergo the electron transport chain to get more amount of ATPs. Take the overview.